Guys, I gonna show you different thing you never eaten before. Guys, don't go anywhere. What are we making? Please, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification. Why? Because whenever I want to upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. Please, I'm pleading. Okay, guys, what are we making? This food is is scarce, as in it's not the regular food people cooked every day. But I say, you know what, I gonna bring this on your table, for in case if you've never have idea of cooking this kind of food. Gather here, let's cook this together. Guys, don't focus or based on only flying plantain, fly. We are not against that. Oh, we are not saying flying things is not good, but don't base only flying plantain always. Guys, learn how to cook your plantain sometimes in this way, because plantain come with iron. Guys, when you fry it, you've fried everything, many ions on the plantain. But if you cook it this way, guys, you're gonna be more healthy. Guys, try to be cooking your plantain just plain like that. What you need to do, I didn't start this initially, but I don't want you guys to be lacking content. That's why I say, you know what, I gonna put it up here, so when you like it, I will make it from the scratch. So guys, what you need to do, buy the plantain, patronize them, cut it in this way, wash it. Guys, cook it in this manner. When it's done, when you notice that the peel is removing a bit, that's when you know it's already done. Guys, use oil or whatever to eat your plantain. So as you can see, the plantain is well done, guys. My hubby like this a lot. Whenever he's cooking, I will like to, he guys, men don't like all this mage stuff cooking. They prefer, as in, cooking this kind of, as in, healthy stuff for themselves. So whenever he's cooking, I will notice that he's cooking different thing altogether. So I will notice that those things he's cooking makes sense. So because me, if it is me, I will just fry the whole plantain. My mind will not even occur to do it this way. But I'm learning, because all these things they are cooking, they know why they are cooking it this way, because they are going for things that can better them. Not all this mage food we are cooking in this generation. Guys, so regarded this one, so when he finish this, he just want to use oil, red oil, to do this. So watch how he really achieve making this. So he put in oil, red oil. Guys, sorry, the thing is not bright a lot, because this is late night we are making this video. So pardon us. So after adding oil on that plate, red oil, he then added the onions, sliced onions, and he's going ahead to add the salt. It's not well sealed, but just pardon me, he just added the salt. So another thing he want to add now is, I think, pepper. Another thing we would like to add now is pepper. So guys, go ahead to be eating, making your plantain this way, because I think this way will help it to give you the ionic that it has in its body. So kindly be cooking your plantain this way. If you don't know another method to cook your plantain, guys, but don't buy the one that is overripe too. Yeah, buy the one that is somehow still kind of strong a bit. So yeah, when you do this, you're gonna thank me later. So we've added our pepper now. We've added our pepper. So the food is ready. That's how he go about eating his own thing. Oh, if it is me, as in my mind will not even occur to prepare my this thing like this. I would rather fry it and maybe use like stew to eat it. But this is also um This is also yummy as well. Those ones you didn't even count as anything. That's what men like most. Guys, what did you think? Have you ever made this plantain like this? Have you ever cooked your plantain like this and use red oil to eat it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks.